whether or not that's happened to me.
So ano yung thoughts mo doon? May mga ganun ka rin bang na-experience when you were just starting? Sexual abuse, or harassment?
No, maybe. I think that, like, I feel really blessed. I think God has, like, for the most part, protected me throughout my entire career. I truly believe that there's certain things that I had to go through so that I could learn to take care of my blessings. In terms of sexual abuse, harassment in our industry, feeling ko, it must be prevalent, like on both ends, where I'm sure there's a lot of actors who are willing to go through that to get a step higher in their career, and that's something that I'm gonna completely respect. I'm sure, like in any other industry, there are people who will take advantage of those kind of situations. Like, we don't live in a perfect world. Things like that are bound to happen.
Nabiktima
Kung
pero
meron ka bang mga ganun experiences when you were just starting in showbiz?
Well, you know what? I'm still in showbiz now. I'm still getting amazing projects. So I think whether or not that's happened to me, it just doesn't matter. Honestly, I mean, like, we've got a great project. I'm not starting out anymore. So yeah, I'm fine. I'm happy. I'm doing an amazing movie.
Sa tanong ni Janice, maliwanag naman na sinabi mo na wala kang experience at all about sexual harassment. Hindi mo na-experience.
Wait, let me clarify. I think in this industry, especially being a guy and maybe my image, like, like, not really by choice, but like, I know that people want to see me take my clothes off. Like, I think all of us have gone through some sort of, like, not necessarily sexual abuse, but like, you knowing that people fantasize about you sexually, maybe, yeah, being over sexualized. And I think that, like, our industry, like, let's just be honest, we need that. We need that because they're like
there's a market for it.
There's a market for it. We glamorize it. Whether we want to admit it or not, that's what people want to see. And yeah, I'm just saying that it's not that I've never been or ever felt like maybe I was over-sexualized or taken advantage of. What I mean is that, like, I'm grateful because it's not affected me in a way where I'm not able to still do amazing projects. Like, me here as an actor, like, this is what's amazing. Like, I'm doing an amazing movie, so it hasn't affected me maybe the way it has affected others. Actually, so everybody wanted to believe my case when it was thrown on me, but when I won my case, no one cared anymore. no one cared I was innocent.
Paano mo nalagpasan to while it was ongoing na wala pang resulta, na hindi ka pa vindicated?
Or may trauma ba?
Yeah, so that was really traumatic. But honestly, that just brought me closer to God, because, I mean, nobody else believed in me, so I guess it was just me and God at the time.
Pero, for the record, yung tinatanong, i-clear ko lang talagang never na pumasok. Wala ka talagang na-feel sa tagal mo sa show.
No, I mean, that's not my point. I was saying is for me personally, I don't feel comfortable revealing to you guys whether I've been sexually harassed or not. What I mean is, like, I'm the kind of actor where I already know people over sexualize me. They want to see me do the sex scenes, because that's what I'm known for. So what I will say is, whether or not I have experienced some form of sexual harassment, it's just not important to me, and I'm grateful that I don't put that much weight on it, because I'm still doing amazing projects. So, like, I know that there's some people out there that experience horrible things and they're not able to move forward in life. My point is, whether or not I've experienced that, it's not hindering me from being the best version of myself. It's not hindering me from becoming the best that I want to be of my capabilities. And that's why we have this amazing movie. Because whether or not something bad happened to me, I'm not going to let that slow me down. That was my point.
So, Tony, never mong naisip na mag-quit sa showbiz after all that happened?
You know what? I always just ask God, like, what is it that you want for me? And so I guess until he stops giving me projects, then I guess I'm still meant to be here. You know, kasi wala eh. I mean, there's at this exact moment, I don't think I'm good at anything else except this, or maybe I'm not even good at this, but just this is the only thing I can do. So I don't know. I always pray about that. Like, God, ano ba talagang gusto mo para sa akin? And I guess He still wants me to be in showbiz.